Hi, welcome back. This is Scotty from Sigma Signals. I just wanted to go over what's happened in the last week since we spoke last. It was approximately here on the chart. It was Sunday afternoon around 3:30. I was saying that when we have a major movement like this, there's often a continuation before we make a move upwards again. And so that's exactly what happened. That was just a gut feeling I had. It wasn't based on any metrics or technical analysis, other than usually when there's a major move like this, there's often a bit of a continuation before a move up higher. So if you were in the short position at this point, you made money down to here, and then you made money up to here. This is a break even though it looks like a profit. This again is a break even though it looks like a profit. And it looks like we're in a position now to go short again, but who knows? And I have no idea. So I just do whatever the signals tell me, and based on that, I've been working on auto trading. Now, the best thing that I've done is I've come up with a way of auto trading on the 15-minute signal, and the entire intention of this is to be in the right position when there is a major move, okay? You don't have to get it right every single move, but you do have to be right on the major moves and to stay in the moves when you're going on those moves. So here, these ones break even, maybe even a little of a loss. Some of these are break even or losses, profit, break even or loss, break even or loss, and then more profit. So the idea is that for the majority of the positions, your goal is not to lose money. And for the big jumps, that's where you make your big money. So having said that, I thought, hey, how come I can't just make money all the time or most of the time? And I started tweaking a 15-minute signal with our tools, and this is what I came up with. Now, obviously it looks like a mess because there's so much going on here. I'm going to change the way it's presented so that it's a little bit easier to read. And even this is difficult to see. But if you go in closer, now this is where we let off on Sunday last week. We were approximately here, and it was first short. It was flat, and we were in the short position. And you would have made profit here, a break even or profit, and then again, huge profit. A little profit, break even or profit, and then a huge profit again. And so what I was looking for is something that could more often than not either break even or profit, even in the sideways movement. And that's what I've been able to create here. If you notice, there's a short, long, short, long, short. Now there's a couple that are broken. Now if you look here closely, where is it? It's right here. So this says go long, and it actually went, oh, that one was right. Let's see, where's the wrong one? Somewhere in here, there was one set that's not correct. And look at that, it's difficult to find the ones that are not correct. But there are two sets. This is like a break even. Some of it says go short, go long, go short. So these ones all look good. Can you believe that? I can't even find it right now. But trust me, in amongst all of these, there were two sets of, it says go long and actually went short. I wish I could find them. That's so funny. In any case, I was able to create a system by which majority of the time, even in sideways action, it's able to make money or break even, and then it's always in the right position for those massive moves. So this one here, if we dig down closer, so wherever I can do that, you can see that you're in the long position for this long haul up. And so that's the intention, and that's how it's working right now. We've only been beta testing this new software for about 2 or 3 days, and so far it's been amazing. I had a couple technical glitches because there's some differences on TradingView between XBT and XBT USD, which is weird because they both come from BitMEX. In any case, it seems to be trading exactly as it's expected. See in here, and here's an example. So this was a great move. This was, I think we got in at 39.01. I can check it after. And then we had 4 moves in here. This lost $24 in this area, but this gained almost $50. And then from here to here was another chunk. I think this was another $24, if I'm correct. Yeah. I think I got in at 19 something. Yeah. So $50, lost 24, made 24. I don't know how much we made on this last round here. Say it was 19 to, I think it was 57 or 59 that I got out. I shorted at. In any case, you get a sense of it. So you make money on the big moves. You sometimes lose money on these little moves, but then you make it again on the bigger moves. And the idea is to lose as little as possible. 4 moves in a small area and only losing $24 per Bitcoin is pretty good. So that's what I have for you. These auto trading techniques aren't going to be published as a Telegram thing. Eventually, it will be something that you can subscribe to. You just give your API keys with the non-withdrawal. It's just like you can trade on behalf of somebody, but you can't withdraw. And it will be for a percentage of the profits each month. Haven't worked out the details about that. I have a few people that are interested. You can contact me directly through Telegram, and I'll let you know how that's going. We're still going to test it for another week before we invite anybody into that. And just because I found so many glitches that I had to figure out what was going on with it, I don't want to be live with other people's money and something goes down. So I'm going to give it another week before I'm ready to accept other people. So that's what I have for you this week. It's been an exciting week, and I hope you guys are safe, and I'll talk to you soon.